Frankfurt Tower pilot Peku 135, 7924 heavy ready for departure to the east at runway 07 right.
Pilot Peku 1357924 heavy QNH 101 departure to the east approved. Cleared for takeoff runway 07 right.
Cleared for takeoff runway 07 right pilot Peku 135, 7924 heavy. Tower pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 heavy continue for east departure. 135-7924 Heavy is type Cessna Titan, 1 mile southwest of Echo, Delta 6 November, 1,100 feet. Request flight following.
Pilot Peku, 135-7924 Heavy approach. Squawk 052 tree.
Squawk 052 tree pilot Peku, 135-7924 Heavy.
Pilot Peku, 135-7924 Heavy radar contact 1 miles north of Echo Delta Alpha Zulu, tree 800 feet. QNH 101 tree.
Roger pilot Peku, 135-7924 Heavy. Approach pilot Peku 135-7924, Heavy 2 miles northeast of Echo Delta Alpha Zulu tree, request IFR to Frankfurt, ready to copy.
052 tree.
Pilot Peku 135-7924, Heavy cleared to Frankfurt Airport is filed. Squawk 052 tree.
Pilot Peku, 135-7924 Heavy readback correct. Radar contact 700 feet. QNH 101 tree turn left heading 280. PBAG RAEX. S2ZUM. PSEP resume. PEND. Own navigation climb and maintain 1,600 feet.
Turn left heading 280, proceed on course climb and maintain 1,600 feet. Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy. Approach pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy, request destination change to Frankfurt.
Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy is cleared to Frankfurt Airport as filed. Squawk 052 tree.
Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy cleared to Frankfurt Airport is filed. Squawk 052 tree.
Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy readback correct. Radar contact 1,400 feet. QNH 101 tree turn right heading 115, proceed on course.
Turn right heading 115, resume. Own navigation pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy.
Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy contact center on 127.6. Good day.
127.6 for pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy. Center pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy is passing 1,100 feet, climbing 1,600 feet. Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy, center QNH 101 tree, continuous plan. Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy, climb and maintain 5,000 feet. Climb and maintain 5,000 feet. Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy. Center pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy, request destination change to Frankfurt. Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy is cleared to Frankfurt Airport as filed. Squawk 052 tree. Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy cleared to Frankfurt Airport is filed. Squawk 052 tree. Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy readback correct. Radar contact 1,500 feet. QNH 101 tree, turn right, heading 280. PBAG RAEX. S2ZUM. PSEP. Resume. PEND. Own navigation climb and maintain 1,600 feet. Turn right heading 280, proceed on course climb and maintain 1,600 feet. Pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy. Center pilot Peku 135-7924 Heavy, request destination change to Frankfurt. UNG-tiiminsä Heavy is cleared to Frankfurt Airport as filed. Squawk 052 tree. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy cleared to Frankfurt Airport as filed. Squawk 052 tree. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy read back correct. Radar contact 1,600 feet. QNH101 tree turn right, heading tree 60. PBEG RAAX. S2ZUM, PSEP, resume. P-end, own navigation. Turn right, heading tree 60, proceed. On course, Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy climb, and maintain 5,000 feet. Climb and maintain 5,000 feet, Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy. Center Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy would like to change destination to Frankfurt. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy is cleared to Frankfurt Airport as filed. Squawk 052 tree. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy cleared to Frankfurt Airport as filed. Squawk 052 tree. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy read back correct. Radar contact 1,700 feet. QNH101 tree, turn right heading tree 60. PBEG RAAX. S2ZUM, PSEP, resume. P-end, own navigation descend, and maintain 1,600 feet. Turn right heading tree 60, proceed on course descend, and maintain 1,600 feet, Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy. Center Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy would like to change destination to Frankfurt. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy is cleared to Frankfurt Airport as filed. Squawk 052 tree. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy cleared to Frankfurt Airport as filed. Squawk 052 tree. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy read back correct. Radar contact 2,500 feet. QNH101 tree turn right, heading tree 5 proceed on course descend, and maintain 800 feet. Turn right heading tree 5 proceed on course descend, and maintain 800 feet, Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy, you are 2 miles west. Climb and maintain 5,000 feet. Expect ILS Zulu runway 25 center approach via Charlie Hotel Alpha transition. Clear to Charlie Hotel Alpha. Climb and maintain 5,000 feet. Expect ILS Zulu runway 25 center approach via Charlie Hotel Alpha transition. Clear to Charlie Hotel Alpha, Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy. Pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 Heavy, you are 2 miles west of Frankfurt. Contact Frankfurt Tower on 119.905 when inbound on the approach. Frankfurt ground pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 heavy taxi to parking.
Pilot Peku 13579 4 heavy taxi to gate Victor 270 via taxiway Whiskey 9 Whiskey.
Frankfurt ground pilot Peku 135, 7902, 4 heavy, say again.
Pilot Peku 13579 4 heavy taxi to gate Victor 270 via taxiway Whiskey 9 Whiskey. Pilot Peku 13579 for heavy, acknowledge last transmission.
Taxiing to gate Victor 270, using taxiway Whiskey 9 Whiskey pilot Peku 13579 4 heavy.